Welcome to Smart Brain 2.0, your ultimate destination for self-improvement and personal growth. In today's video, we're delving into an intriguing topic that will shed light on the often enigmatic world of relationships. We'll be exploring 10 surprising things that guys find unattractive in women. Whether you're a girl looking to enhance your dating game or simply curious about the male perspective, you're in for a captivating ride. But before we dive in, I want to invite you to become part of our ever-growing community. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on our valuable content, empowering you with the knowledge and insights you need to navigate the intricacies of personal relationships. 1. Wearing too much makeup. We'll explore why an excessive amount of makeup can be a turnoff for guys. We'll discuss the importance of embracing natural beauty and finding the right balance between enhancing features and maintaining authenticity. Discover the subtle ways in which makeup choices can influence perceptions and learn how to make a positive impact with your appearance. 2. Having overly styled hair. Delve into the reasons why heavily processed and overly styled hair may not resonate with guys. Explore the allure of a natural and effortless look, which often exudes confidence and approachability. Learn how to strike a balance between self-expression and creating an inviting aura that draws others towards you. 3. Sharp long nails. Uncover the surprising implications of long, elaborately manicured nails. We'll discuss the practical challenges they present and why guys may find them unattractive. Discover alternative approaches to nail care that can be both fashionable and functional, allowing you to confidently engage in various activities without hindrance. 4. Wearing too much perfume. Sense the delicate nuances surrounding the use of fragrance. We'll explore the concept of scent memory and its impact on attraction. Learn how to strike the perfect olfactory balance, leaving a subtle and alluring trace of fragrance that entices rather than overwhelms. 5. Being excessively confident. Understand the distinction between healthy self-esteem and excessive self-assurance. We'll delve into the reasons why genuine confidence is attractive, while boastfulness can be a major turnoff. Discover how to cultivate a genuine sense of self-worth that radiates authenticity and draws others towards you. 6. Being a gossiper. Explore the negative implications of engaging in gossip and its effects on personal relationships. We'll discuss the importance of trust and how gossiping can erode it. Discover alternative ways to connect with others and build meaningful connections based on respect, empathy, and genuine interest. 7. Clingy behavior. Delve into the complexities of personal space and the detrimental effects of being overly clingy. We'll discuss the importance of maintaining independence within a relationship and how healthy boundaries contribute to a strong foundation. Learn effective communication strategies that foster connection while allowing both partners to thrive individually. 8. Attention seekers. Examine the underlying motivations behind seeking constant validation and attention. We'll explore how such behavior can be perceived and why genuine experiences often trump superficial pursuits. Discover the power of authenticity and how it can transform your relationships, attracting partners who appreciate your true self. 9. Starving themselves. Explore the impact of restrictive eating habits on body image and self-acceptance. We'll discuss the importance of embracing a healthy and balanced approach to nourishment, both physically and emotionally. Learn how self-love and self-care contribute to a positive mindset and radiate attractiveness from within. 10. Bad-mouthing their ex. Delve into the reasons why constantly criticizing past relationships can be a major turnoff for guys. We'll discuss the importance of emotional maturity and moving forward from past experiences. Learn how focusing on personal growth and maintaining a positive outlook can create an attractive and empowering presence. And there you have it, 10 surprising things that guys find unattractive. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and a fresh perspective on relationships. Remember, the key to building successful connections lies in embracing authenticity, self-confidence, and a healthy balance in all aspects of life. If you found this information helpful and want to continue receiving valuable tips and guidance for personal growth, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Brain 2.0. Activate the notification bell so you never miss a video. Join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to unlocking their full potential and creating meaningful relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to embarking on this transformative journey with you. Stay tuned for more empowering content.